This is steam layered cakes. In Thai, this is Khanom Chun. In Laos, it's Khanom San. I like the Vietnamese version as well with the mung beans in between, called Bánh Lun. Recipe is very simple, however, it does take a lot of time to make because you pretty much have to steam each layer, put in another layer, and then refill it. Keep doing that until you're done, depending on how much layer you want. It's flavored with pandan. I extracted mine. I have pandan here chopped up already. In my mixing bowl, I have tapioca starch and rice flour. My coconut milk, stirred in little by little. Ooh, getting that workout. And then extract, pour that in. Red one, which kind of gives like a pink color. Well, 3 different color. Just gonna add a little bit oil here so it doesn't stick. A cup. Next, you're gonna steam cook this per layer as shown on video. Use a heat-proof cookingware. Steam cook time is gonna vary from 5 to 10 minutes per layer. And we're done. So if you've never had this, I would describe it kind of like chewing into a gummy bear, but a softer version. Definitely the kids will love this. Just peel it like this. It's bouncy, see? Puffy, soft. You can peel it. Mmm. This is made throughout Asia, steam layered cakes. In Thai, this is Khanom Chan. In Laos, is Khanom San. The coconut milk, coconut cream here is so good. Made with pandan. If you're not familiar with pandan, a lot of people like to compare it as the vanilla of Asia. It's so flavorful, delicious, very fragrant. Whenever I make this, it always brings back the childhood vibes, like nostalgic. Not hard to make, but it is time consuming. So if you've never had this, you peel them apart like this. Look at that. Mmm. It was so much fun to do as a kid. I like the Vietnamese one too, where it's made with mung bean. So good. Such a beautiful dessert. Classic.